If you want to change your profile picture on TikTok, it's very simple to do. So all you really have to do is go to your TikTok account, make sure you're on your profile at the bottom right-hand corner, and then you want to click and hold your profile picture, which is at the top of your profile. Once you're here, you're going to get an option that says create avatar, change photo, or share profile. All you need to do is hit change photo, and we're going to go through and just pick a random photo here. Let's pick this one here. And so it's going to automatically load, basically crop itself, but you can move it around just in case it's not in the perfect place for you. And then what you're going to do is save and post. What you can do is uncheck this where you just want to save it and just change your profile picture, or if you want to add it to a story, you can. So I'm just going to uncheck that and then hit save. And then that will upload in a couple seconds. We can X out of here, and that's it. You see the change was made on the photo, and that's how you change your profile picture on TikTok. Super simple.